Hello, good morning, students. Today we will start our English literature book, English Alive. This is the literature book, English Alive, and we start our first lesson as a boy. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. First of all, it is necessary to know about the poet. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British origin. Born 19th May 1934 in Kasauli, Punjab. Here about the poet. He has written over 500 short stories, novels, poems, and essay, including more than 50 books for children. Here in this poem, first of all, some difficult words. I am writing on the board and you should take it down in a notebook to learn it. Then it is easy to understand the poem. Age. Age, it means the outer or farthest point of something. किनारा, इसको हम हिंदी में किनारा कहते हैं. माने कि नदी है, ये रिवर, और ये इसका ये एज हो गया, ये इसका एज है, किनारा. नेक्स्ट, रेलवे कटिंग. A narrow railway cutting, a narrow alley cut through a hill or that railway line, so that railway line or road can pass through. Third, tremble. Tremble means to shake Tuna. Plunging. Plunging here it means rushing out in great speed, तेजी के साथ गुजरना. Thundering. Thundering means making a very loud and deep noise. You should take down in your notebook and learn these words, meaning of these words. I am talking about Ruskin Bond. That his parents separated, his parents, mother or father, separated when he was very young, when his mother remarried a Punjabi. And his father died in battle. So his disturbed childhood, clearly his childhood was very difficult. So disturbed childhood made him more sensitive towards children, especially his friends and the children whom he met. In this poem, he says, as a boy, I stood on the edge of the railway cutting. Clearly he was standing As a boy, I stood on the edge of the railway cutting. Clearly, he was standing on the railway line outside the dark tunnel. As a boy, I stood on the edge of the railway cutting outside the dark tunnel, my hands touching the hot rails, waiting for them to tremble at the coming of the noonday train. The whistle of the engine hung on the forest silence. Here are two things. That signaled him the arrival of the train. The two things are, when the hot rails, in the afternoon, rails are hot. When rails were trembling, and whistle of the engine signaled him that the train is coming. Here are two things. He was standing in the railway cutting, edge of the railway cutting, आउटसाइड द डार्क ट्यूनल, ट्यूनल वाज डार्क, क्योंकि वो लंबा होता है और अंदर में लाइट का कोई सिस्टम नहीं होता है, इसलिए वो ट्यूनल जो होता है बिल्कुल अंधेरा होता है। और दोपहर में धूप की वजह से रेल का जो पटरी होता है, रेल्स, वो गर्म हो जाता है, और जब गाड़ियां उसे गुजरती हैं तो वो रेल्स कांपता है, उसके अंदर जुम्बिश हो जाती है। और गाड़ियां जब चलती है तो उसकी एक आवाज़ अलग होती है, और गाड़ी का एक हॉर्न जो देता है, विसिल जो देता है, उससे भी तेज आवाज़ निकलती है। और यहाँ ये लड़का कह रहा है कि जब ये दोपहर में जब ट्रेन आती थी तो वह पटरिया में ट्रेम्बलिंग शुरू हो जाता था, और फॉरेस्ट का जो साइलेंस था, जंगल जो हमेशा बिल्कुल शांत होता है, कोई शोरगुल वहाँ नहीं होता है, लेकिन जब ट्रेन उस फॉरेस्ट से होकर गुजरती है तो वहाँ पर उसे साइलेंस को तोड़ देती है, उसकी शांति को तोड़ देती है। नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेज we will learn in next class, and you should first of all take down the word and learn its meaning, and next session we will learn next class. Thank you very much.